Today, I'm going to show you how to create your bio profile for Instagram and do a brilliant bio picture. First of all, I'm going to give you this website. It's called pfpmaker.com. All you do is you upload one photo and it will give you quite a few different backgrounds that you can see here. Now, all you have to do is download some, then pop over to here. And then you upload a photo, for example. For example, this one. Then, look at this. You can change anything. You can have gradient colours or you can have solid colours. Now, I think the black one looks best because it pops. Then all you do, you download it and there's your poppy picture to put. Let me download that one. I'm going to choose that one and I'm going to put it on my Instagram profile. So I'm going to there we go. I'm going to change the profile photo. I'm going to upload the photo and it's this one. So therefore, that's done. Now I want you to look at this. I've just been doing some advanced training. So I've now changed my bio. Who do you help? If you work nights in Asda and you're a 9-to-5 and you hate your job, you could say, I help 9-to-5ers give up the day job. I've chosen I help beginners earn money from home. Now, these little emojis can be gotten anywhere, but I suggest one emoji, maybe two per line. So the next one, who are you? You could be affiliate marketer for 2 years. You could be an online marketer. If you've got some results, put your best results down. Earned $100 in a day. So once I earned $2K in 30 days. Probably less, actually. It's probably 2 weeks. But that sounds good enough. So then you get the target. DM me 2K for details. So then you're asking them to message you so you can send them the link. But also, the key to the free training, which is 100%, put some arrows or some pointy fingers to the link. So you can only put the link on the phone, but that's a short, quick tutorial for you. And I'll see you on the next video, guys. Subscribe, like, and follow for more.